Starting Python debugger automatically on error. This is a question I have wondered about for quite some time, yet I have never found a suitable solution. If I run a script and I come across, let's say, an index error, Python prints the line, location and quick description of the error and exits. Is it possible to automatically start PDB when an error is encountered? I am not against having an extra import statement at the top of the file, nor a few extra lines of code.
You can use tracefact.print_x to print the exceptions tracefact. Then use sys.ext_info to extract the tracefact, and finally call pdb.post_mortem with that tracefact. If you want to start an interactive command line with code.interact using the locals of the frame where the exception originated, you can do.
If you don't provide the C continue flag, then you'll need to enter C for continue when execution begins. Then it will run to the error point and give you control there. As mentioned by X, this flag is a new addition in Python 3.2, so entering C is required for earlier Python versions. See this URL.
Use the following module. Name it debug, or whatever you like, and put it somewhere in your Python path. Now, at the start of your script, just add an import debug.
IPython has a command for toggling this behavior, %pdb. It does exactly what you described, maybe even a bit more, giving you more informative backtraces with syntax highlighting and code completion. It's definitely worth a try.